Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Begin with core subjects: contracts, torts, property, criminal, and constitutional law. Those 5 areas form a scaffold for most legal reasoning, so prioritize them before specialty topics. Study 4 foundational subjects over 12 weeks, aiming for 5 hours per week. Break each week into focus sessions: 2 hours of doctrine review, 2 hours of problem practice, and 1 hour of briefing cases or outlining. Read 1 textbook chapter or 50 pages daily to build routine. Track progress with a simple planner and adjust pace every 2 weeks. Practice issue spotting with 50 past bar-style questions per month. Focus on identifying elements, defenses, and policy considerations, timing yourself to improve speed. Draft short memos of 500 words to summarize cases and arguments, emphasizing Iraq structure and clear conclusions. Use checklists for citations and rules of law. Join a study group or classroom for 2 hours weekly to discuss problem sets, receive feedback, and simulate oral argument. Record common mistakes and revisit them in the next review cycle to close knowledge gaps. Use primary sources: statutes, cases, and Form 1099 for tax examples when studying tax law. Learning how to read statutory language and judicial analysis is essential. Annotate text and highlight key holdings. Supplement with free online lectures and 3 annotated casebooks for deeper reading, balancing commentary with primary materials to see interpretation and application. Apply law through volunteer clinics, internships, or 100-hour pro bono projects to gain client contact skills, ethical exposure, and real-world drafting experience that cannot be learned from textbooks alone.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.